Hello, welcome to EasyWay Commerce. Today we will discuss some more examples of subscription. Now, this is the extract of receipts and payment account and subscription is given. And in receipts and payment account, we are receiving the subscription for 3 years. For 2005-06, we are receiving rupees 7,000. For year 2006-07, we are receiving 30,000. And for the year 2007-08, we are receiving rupees 5,000. And total amount received during current year is 42,000. Now, the current year in this question will be 2006-07. The current year is 2006-2007. Now, additional information. Subscription outstanding on 31st March. See, subscription outstanding on 31st March 2006 is 8,500. Now, which date is this? Opening or closing? This outstanding subscription is related to which date? 31st March 2006 comes here. So, 31st March 2006 is opening date and subscription outstanding on opening date is 8,500. Clear? Second, total subscription outstanding on 31st March 2007. Now, here the word total is given. So, total subscription outstanding on 31st March 2007 is 18,500. Now, see, when total word is given at the end, this date is 31st March 2007 means last date. So, closing subscription as on 31st March is 18,500. Now, in this question, what is the difference that the word total is added with closing subscription? It means this 18,500 includes current year subscription, outstanding subscription, as well as previous years if there is any outstanding subscription. Means if last year's subscription, that is out of 8,500, if something is received and we subtract it from 8,500 whatever is received, then if it is left still at the end of current year, that is on 31st March, if anything is left for previous year, then that will also be included. That is also included in 18,500. हमें यहाँ पे ये देखना है कि इस 18,500 में करंट ईयर की भी सब्सक्रिप्शन है और प्रीवियस ईयर का भी अभी भी अगर कुछ आउटस्टैंडिंग है आफ्टर रिसीविंग दिस 7,000 तो वो भी इंक्लूडेड है. तो हमें यहाँ पे उसको ध्यान रखना है एडजस्टमेंट के टाइम. थर्ड पॉइंट, सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस फॉर एज ऑन 31st March 2006. सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस ऑन 31st March 2006 मीन्स ओपनिंग डेट. So, opening date में advance है 4,000. Now, we will make, first of all, we will make a balance sheet. We will show the opening balance sheet. Then we will make income expenditure account. And then we will make closing balance sheet. Now, this is opening balance sheet. And as you know, the opening date will be 31st March 2006. So, the date is 31st March 2006. And on asset side, we write outstanding subscription. And in question, in adjustment, outstanding subscription amount is given. 8,500, we will write down 8,500. Then advance subscription. This advance subscription is also given in question. The subscription as on 31st March 2006, it is rupees 4,000. So we will write down advance subscription as 4,000. Now opening balance sheet is complete. Now we will make income and expenditure account. Show this subscription in that account. And now this is income and expenditure account and the date will be income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2007. That means at the end of, we make it at the end of current year only. Now, on income side, we will show subscription income. First of all, we will write down subscription received during the year. And the amount of subscription received as per question is 42,000. And see children, for better understanding, first of all, you note down the question which I explained. Then one by one, step by step, you can see how we are solving the question. If you will not note down the question, you will not be able to understand. Clear? Now, with this subscription, what do we add? We add which outstanding? We add advance for previous year. One outstanding is added and one advance. Which advance is added? Opening advance is added and closing outstanding is added. And which outstanding is subtracted? Which outstanding is subtracted? Previous year's outstanding is subtracted and current year's advance is subtracted. Now, we will add advance received, advance subscription received during the year, received in previous year. as advance subscription on 31st March 2006. See, 31st March 2006 means opening date. So advance subscription on 31st March 2006, ये opening balance sheet में भी अभी हमने लिखा था, adjustment में given है, and the amount is 4,000. So we will add 4,000 as it is related to current year, but it was received in previous year. One more thing we will add outstanding for current year. Outstanding subscription on 31st March 2007. So current year's outstanding we will add. Now see, in adjustment, outstanding subscription, total outstanding subscription is given, and the amount of total outstanding subscription given is rupees 18,500. So total outstanding subscription which is given is 18,500. But this subscription includes previous year's outstanding also. Now see, total outstanding in previous year was 8,500. Last year का outstanding है 8,500. Means ये outstanding यहाँ पे हमें केवल current year से related जो outstanding होता है वही दिखाना है. इस क्वेश्चन में जो टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग है, उस टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग का मतलब है कि उसमें करंट ईयर्स का भी आउटस्टैंडिंग और प्रीवियस ईयर का भी अगर कुछ अभी भी एट द एंड ऑफ 2007 अगर रिमेनिंग है तो वो वाला आउटस्टैंडिंग भी उसमें इंक्लूडेड है, हमें उसको नहीं लेना है. तो द टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग इन प्रीवियस ईयर इट वाज 8,500 एंड ड्यूरिंग करंट ईयर वी हैव रिसीव्ड 7,000. लास्ट ईयर का 7,000 रिसीव किया, लास्ट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग था 8,500. अब देखो एट द एंड ऑफ करंट ईयर अभी भी लास्ट ईयर से रिलेटेड कितना अमाउंट रिसीव नहीं हुआ, दैट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग कितना है 1,500. सो दिस टोटल अमाउंट 1,500 इज रिलेटेड टू इज आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर प्रीवियस ईयर एंड इट इज इंक्लूडेड इन करंट ईयर्स आउटस्टैंडिंग बिकॉज टोटल वर्ड इज रिटन. सो टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर का भी आउटस्टैंडिंग है, करंट ईयर का भी आउटस्टैंडिंग इंक्लूडेड है. एंड व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट? Total subscription outstanding at the end of current year is rupees 18,500. Total 18,500 है. इसमें से पहले हमें प्रीवियस ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग माइनस करना है. तो प्रीवियस ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग अभी हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेट किया था 1,500 है. तो द आंसर इज 17,000. ये 17,000 इज आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर करंट ईयर. क्लियर? ये जो 17,000 अमाउंट है ये करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग है और हमें यहाँ पे इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट में जब करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग माइनस करते हैं तो सिर्फ करंट ईयर वाला ही माइनस करते हैं. सो आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन रिलेटेड टू करंट ईयर वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 17,000. वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट ओनली 17,000. वी विल नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट 18,500. ओके. नाउ विच आउटस्टैंडिंग इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड? वी सब्ट्रैक्ट प्रीवियस ईयर्स आउटस्टैंडिंग. So we will subtract outstanding subscription for previous year. But यहाँ पे भी एक चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. एडजस्टमेंट में प्रीवियस ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट गिवन है 8,500 और जब इनकम रिसीट्स एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट में सब्सक्रिप्शन का अमाउंट प्रीवियस ईयर का कुछ गिवन होता है तो हमें ये चेक करना है कि प्रीवियस ईयर से रिलेटेड जो रिसीव हुआ है करंट ईयर में आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट केवल वही माइनस होता है, पूरा आउटस्टैंडिंग माइनस नहीं होगा. सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट outstanding subscription related to previous year. Outstanding subscription on 31st March 2006. But we will not subtract here the complete outstanding. The complete outstanding for previous year was 8,000 rupees, 8,500. तो यहाँ पे 8,500 पूरा आउटस्टैंडिंग था लास्ट ईयर का. But we have received only 7,000 amount. देखो रिसीट्स एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में 2005-06 का 7,000 अमाउंट है तो केवल जो रिसीव होता है लास्ट ईयर से रिलेटेड केवल वही अमाउंट माइनस होता है. सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 7,000. ओके. वी विल नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट 8,500 because we are not receiving 1,500 rupees which are included in this. Now next, one more advance is subtracted. Advance in current year. If any advance is received in current year, that also is subtracted. And in receipts and payment account, see we are receiving rupees 5,000 related to next year. So we will subtract advance subscription on 31st March, ये क्लोजिंग डेट यहाँ पे आएगी बिकॉज वी हैव रिसीव्ड इट इन करंट ईयर. 31st March 2007. 31st March 2007 को we have received rupees 5,000. So as this is not related to current year, we have subtracted. ये भी 7,000 current year में receive तो हो रहा है, but it is not related to current year, so we will subtract this also. And 4,000, ये 4,000 लास्ट ईयर में एडवांस था, इट मीन्स करंट ईयर की इनकम थी, बट इट वाज रिसीव्ड इन प्रीवियस ईयर, तो करंट ईयर की इनकम थी, इसलिए करंट ईयर में ऐड करेंगे. 17,000 इज स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर करंट ईयर, करंट ईयर की ही आउटस्टैंडिंग है जो हमने माइनस करके कैलकुलेट की थी. तो 17,000 करंट ईयर का है, करंट ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड. नाउ वी विल ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट दीज आइटम्स. 42 प्लस 4 दैट इज 46 प्लस 17 माइनस these 12,000, and the answer will be rupees 51,000. You can calculate and check the answer. Now this is income and expenditure account. Now we will make closing balance sheet of this. Closing balance sheet, and the date is balance sheet as on 31st March 2007, closing date. And as you know, on asset side we show outstanding subscription. In this question, the total outstanding subscription is given in question, that is 18,500. But this outstanding subscription includes current year's outstanding as well as previous year's outstanding. So in our column we will write down separately previous years and current years, and in outer column we will write down the total. See, in 2005, 2006 लास्ट ईयर का कितना अभी भी आउटस्टैंडिंग है. आउट ऑफ 8,500 वी हैव रिसीव्ड इन करंट ईयर 7,000, सो स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग इज 1,500 एट द एंड ऑफ करंट ईयर. एंड देन 2006-07 फॉर करंट ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग इज, व्हाट इज द आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर करंट ईयर, इट इज 17,000. सो करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग 17,000 है, एंड टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग विल राइट डाउन इन आउटर कॉलम. And you have to show it like this only, 185. So the total outstanding is 18,500. And advance subscription, as it is a liability, advance subscription is shown on liability side, and the amount of advance subscription which is received during the year is 5,000. Any income, any advance subscription received in current year but it is related to previous year is known as advance subscription. So receipts and payment account में ये लास्ट ईयर नेक्स्ट ईयर का एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन गिवन है 5,000. So we will show advance subscription on liabilities side. This is the closing balance sheet. Now this is next question. This question is different from previous questions. Now the question is, from the following calculate the amount of subscription to be credited to income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020. So here we need to calculate the subscription income as on 31st March 2020. So what will be the current year in this case? The current year will be 2019-2020. This will be the current year. Now the adjustment, see, subscription in arrears on the date is 1st April 2019, means the opening date. So opening date का subscription in arrears 50,000 है. ये subscription in arrears का meaning है outstanding subscription. इसको outstanding subscription को subscription arrears भी कहते हैं. Then subscription in advance is 30,000. Opening date का advance subscription 30,000 है. Now this is closing date on 31st March 2020. That is closing date. Subscription in arrears is 25,000 and subscription in advance is 70,000. So closing date का arrear subscription means outstanding subscription 25 and advance subscription 70. Adjustment. See, first adjustment is subscription received during the year ended 31st March 2020 is rupees 3 lakhs. Now means during the year, this current year we have received total subscription rupees 3 lakhs. ये amount receive हुआ है in the name of subscription. Now next is subscription still in arrears for the year 2018-19. यहाँ पे बहुत important है. You need to focus on this, that subscription still outstanding for which year 2018-19 is 10,000. ये बहुत important point है. इसकी वजह से एडजस्टमेंट्स, बहुत सारे एडजस्टमेंट्स में अमाउंट्स में चेंज होगा। तो मीन्स स्टिल इन अरियर्स मीन्स स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग। कौन सा सब्सक्रिप्शन, किस ईयर से रिलेटेड, 18-19। अब बताओ 18-19 इससे कौन सा ईयर होगा? दिस इज करंट ईयर, सो 18-19 विल बी विच ईयर? प्रीवियस ईयर। सो प्रीवियस ईयर का स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर इज 10,000. This is the adjustment. Now from this question, first of all children, note down this question, because when you have to do this question and I'll be explaining, you must have all the values in your notebooks. So note down this question, and then we will be making, first of all we will make opening balance sheet, then income and expenditure account, then we will show closing balance sheet. Now this is opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. See, the current year is 2019-20, from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. So opening balance sheet is on 31st March 2019, means previous year, current year. Now, as you all know, on asset side we show outstanding subscription. Question में देखो, it's clearly given outstanding subscription, that is subscription in arrears. Yes, one more thing. See, if in question the name of the account is subscription in arrears, so we will not write outstanding subscription, we will write down subscription in arrears. जो भी name question में दिया है वही solution में लिखना है. So what we will write down? Subscription in arrears. Now opening arrear, what is the amount of opening arrears? Is 50,000. So we will, in opening balance sheet we will write down 50,000. Then opening advance, it's also given in balance sheet adjustment, that opening advance is rupees 30,000. So on advance is always written on liabilities side, that is all advance incomes are liabilities. So we will write down opening advance as 30,000 and opening subscription, that is subscription in arrears, as 50,000. Over. Now we will make income and expenditure account. Now income and expenditure account, and children, we make income and expenditure account at the end of current year. So current year क्या है? End of current year will be 31st March 2020. So the date of income and expenditure account is 31st March and year ending 31st March 2020. Now on income side we show subscription account, subscription income. So first of all, in inner column we write down subscription received during current year, and we know that it is given as 3 lakhs. So subscription received during the year is rupees 3 lakhs. Yeah. So subscription received 3 lakhs. Now what do we add to this? We add advance of previous year and outstanding of current year. That is advance of previous year and subscription in arrears of subscription in arrears for current year. So first of all, let us add advance. Now advance subscription means opening advance. Advance subscription on 31st March opening date, that is 2019. 2019. देख लो, what is the opening advance? Amount of opening advance is 30,000. So we will add rupees 30,000. Then next is we will add outstanding subscription. Outstanding, कौन सा outstanding add करते हैं? Current year का outstanding. So we will add current year's outstanding. So plus outstanding subscription for current year, that is on 31st March 2000, on 31st March 2020. Now here it's very important to understand that what is the amount of outstanding subscription. See, closing amounts are given as closing subscription in arrears is 25,000. In question 25,000 it's given, but at the end one adjustment was there that still outstanding for previous year is rupees 10,000. So as on that date, closing date, the total outstanding is 25,000 and still outstanding of previous year is 10,000. तो जब भी still outstanding subscription previous year given हो, तो हम जो करंट ईयर के एंड का आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन है उसमें से स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग वाला माइनस कर देंगे, क्योंकि 25 में से तो प्रीवियस ईयर का कितना अमाउंट है 10,000. सो करंट ईयर का नेट करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट 25,000. टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑन इन करंट ईयर इज 25,000. नाउ previous year still outstanding is 10,000. So for current year only, the outstanding subscription is 15,000. So current year's outstanding we will add rupees 15,000. Clear? Now next one. We subtract two things. Which two things? We subtract advance in current year and outstanding of previous year. So let us subtract outstanding subscription on 31st March 2019. Previous year's date opening outstanding is 31st March 2019. Now question में देखो previous year का कितना outstanding amount given है 50,000. 50,000 was total outstanding in previous year. और at the end they are saying that 10,000 is still outstanding. That means उस 50,000 में से कितना during the year receive किया 50,000 किया कि less. We received less amount because still उसमें से still how much is outstanding 10,000. तो 50 में से पहले 10 minus करो. Now 40,000 we have received. Means in current year we received only 40,000 which is related to previous year. So देखो यहाँ पे हम 50,000 नहीं माइनस करेंगे, हम क्या माइनस करेंगे केवल 40,000. Why? Because at the end the adjustment is given still outstanding for 18-19. That means previous year का still 10,000 is outstanding. तो पूरा 50,000 नहीं रिसीव हुआ, तभी तो 10,000 आउटस्टैंडिंग है. तो कितना रिसीव हुआ 40,000. Subtract advance during current year. So advance on 31st March 2020, it's given in question, it is rupees 70,000. So we will subtract 70,000, that is advance during current year, that is as of 31st March 2020. Now as with 3 lakhs, we will add 30,000, 15,000, 3 lakh 45, and we will subtract 1 lakh 10,000. The answer will be 2 lakhs 35,000. So subscription income is rupees 2,35,000. By adding these two items, subtracting these two items, the answer is 2,35,000. यहाँ पे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मैंने चेंज किया है कि करंट ईयर के आउटस्टैंडिंग में से स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग माइनस कर दिया और प्रीवियस ईयर के आउटस्टैंडिंग में से स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग माइनस किया. करंट ईयर में से इसलिए माइनस किया बिकॉज करंट ईयर का जो हम आउटस्टैंडिंग ऐड करते हैं ना वो सिर्फ करंट ईयर का होना चाहिए, और अगर स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग लिखा है दैट मीन्स that outstanding amount includes previous year's outstanding also. So 25 में से पहले 10 माइनस कर दिया, और previous year का outstanding जो है उसमें से मैंने 10 इसलिए माइनस किया है क्योंकि जो total outstanding था previous year का उसमें से अगर अभी भी 10,000 still outstanding है, it means पूरा अमाउंट रिसीव नहीं हुआ. The amount received is only 40,000. So 40,000 जो रिसीव्ड होता है प्रीवियस में से जो रिसीव्ड होता है वो माइनस करते हैं प्रीवियस आउटस्टैंडिंग में से, और करंट ईयर में करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग जो सिर्फ करंट ईयर से रिलेटेड है वही माइनस होता है. सो दिस इज द आंसर, दैट इज सब्सक्रिप्शन इनकम. नाउ वी विल मेक क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट ऑफ दिस. Now this is closing balance sheet, and the balance sheet is on balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Now in balance sheet on asset side, as you all know, we show outstanding subscription. So on 31st March 2020, what is our outstanding? Our outstanding is outstanding subscription is rupees 25,000. So we will write down 25,000 in outer column, but in inner column we need to show this bifurcation of this 25,000, that which amount is related to previous year and which amount is related to current year. So for 2018-19 the amount outstanding subscription is rupees 10,000, which is given as still outstanding. Now for current year 2019-20, the amount outstanding is rupees 15,000. अभी हमने इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर में 15,000 लिखा था, इसी 25,000 में से 10,000 स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग था प्रीवियस ईयर का, सो करंट ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग कैलकुलेटेड एज 15,000. 25 में से टोटल 25 में से 10 माइनस किया तो करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग 15,000 आया, और यही अमाउंट हमने करंट ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग में इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर में माइनस किया, ऐड किया था. नाउ एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन. Advance subscription given in question, it was advance subscription for current year was 70,000. So we will write down on asset side, on liabilities side we show advance subscription, as advance subscription is a liability. So the advance subscription for current year is 70,000. Now your question is over. Now children, see, I have tried to explain almost all types of subscription questions. जितनी भी तरह से एग्जाम में पूछा जा सकता है मैंने सारे तुम लोगों को एक्सप्लेन कर दिए मेथड्स. फिर भी सब्सक्रिप्शन को कभी इजी मत समझना, इसके क्वेश्चंस को, इसके इलस्ट्रेशंस को, मेरे वीडियोस को कई बार देखोगे तब जाके तुम लोगों को सब्सक्रिप्शन समझ में आएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही बार में कोई डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक समझ में आ जाए. एंड फॉर स्टूडेंट्स दिस सब्सक्रिप्शन टॉपिक इज डिफिकल्ट, तो कई बार इसको पढ़ो, कई बार इसको रेफर करो और फिर अपने क्वेश्चंस, हर तरह के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. एंड नाउ वन मोर थिंग which you have to remember, like and share the video and do not forget to subscribe it also.